Most flooring tools are loud and messy. This one isn't. NAACOO's 13-inch cutter slices laminate and vinyl with a single press. Set the angle, line the length, and cut clean. No dust, no power, no noise. From LVP to engineered wood, every plank snaps precisely. Designed for fast installs and tight spaces, it replaces saws with control, speed, and calm confidence on every flooring job, every single time. Power isn't the trick here, control is. Bosch Universal Cut 18V65 replaces spinning blades with NanoBlade precision, delivering smooth, freehand cuts with minimal vibration. It slices wood and plastic up to 65mm. Cordless and ready instantly. No blade turning, no lubrication, no setup rituals. Just steady guidance and clean results. Perfect for quick repairs, DIY builds, and cramped spaces where accuracy beats brute force every single time. Misaligned hardware ruins good builds. This tool prevents it. Saka's 4-in-1 positioning ruler combines a T-square, drilling guide, and marking gauge into one adjustable jig. Set your spacing once, then drill identical holes across doors and drawers. No math, no retries, just straight handles and clean installs. A compact solution that turns repetitive cabinet work into fast, accurate results for woodworkers, installers, and serious DIY projects without frustration. Chainsaws feel excessive for small jobs. Saka's mini chainsaw keeps things simple. Cordless, lightweight, and easy to control with one hand, it trims branches and garden wood fast. No gas, no cords, no setup, just press and cut. Designed for yards, courtyards, and home use, it turns pruning into a quick, manageable task instead of a noisy, exhausting project. Perfect for beginners and everyday maintenance tasks outdoors. Dull tools don't fail slowly, they fail the cut. This sharpening system fixes that by locking blades at a precise angle while the stone does the work. Chisels and plane irons sharpen evenly, edge to edge. No wobble, no rounded tips, just repeatable sharpness that restores control. A simple setup that turns sharpening from frustration into a reliable routine for woodworking, restoration, and serious shop work every time. Big tools miss small details. This mini square doesn't. It checks perfect 90-degree angles and marks true center points through a built-in hole. Compact, solid, and precise, it fits tight spaces where full squares fail. From woodworking to metalwork, it speeds layouts and drilling. One pocket-sized tool replaces guesswork with accuracy, helping builders hit center, stay square, and work cleaner every time on daily shop tasks. Power tools aren't always the answer. ToughBuilt's folding pull saw cuts on the pull, giving cleaner, controlled cuts with less effort. Thin steel blade, sharp teeth, and compact folding handle make it perfect for tight spaces and quick jobs. It slips into a bag, opens in seconds, and slices wood precisely where bulky saws struggle. Simple mechanics, smart design, and reliable performance for carpenters, builders, and serious DIY work anywhere. Measuring shouldn't be guesswork. This laser tool fires up to 262 feet, calculates areas, volume, even hidden distances with Pythagorean mode. A digital angle finder and level handles slopes instantly. The color screen stays readable. The battery recharges by USB. One device replaces tape, level, and calculator, turning rooms, walls, and plans into precise numbers. fast, clean and confidently every single time for professionals, DIY builders and home. Perfect cuts start with perfect shapes. JOREST's connectable contour gauge copies complex profiles in seconds. Press, lock, trace. Pipes, corners, tile edges, flooring gaps captured exactly with adjustable 10+5-inch reach. The locking pins hold the shape while you cut once, not twice. Simple mechanics replace guesswork, turning uneven spaces into clean fits for tiling, woodworking and home projects, with accuracy, speed and confidence every time. Small tools rarely change workflow. These do. Slipstick bench grippers sit under your workpiece and quietly hold everything still. No clamps, no marks, no slipping. They lift the surface just enough for sanding, drilling, painting or leveling while protecting the bench below. Drop them in place, start working and move on. 4 simple pads that replace frustration with control in woodworking, DIY builds and everyday shop tasks. Perfect fits rarely happen by eye. Profiler Plus makes them repeatable. This contour scribing tool copies walls, pipes and edges directly onto wood or flooring. Any marker fits, the guides glide and the line stays exact. Cabinets, trims, floors, no guessing, no recuts. Just trace, cut and install. A simple tool that turns irregular spaces into clean, professional results every time for builders, renovators and detail-focused craftsmen everywhere. Woodworking usually punishes small mistakes. Kreg 520 Pro avoids them. This pocket hole jig locks boards firmly, drills perfect angled holes and creates hidden joints that hold tight. One clamp, one motion, consistent results every time. Adjustable for different thicknesses, tough enough for daily shop use. It turns furniture builds and repairs into clean, confident work, without complex machines, long setup or years of experience holding you back. Tired of being held back by your tools? The DeWALT 20-volt max cutoff tool is your solution. With its brushless motor and 550 MWO, it powers through the toughest materials. Whether it's metal, tile or drywall, this tool cuts a wide range with ease. Its bright LED lights up dark spaces, ensuring precision in every job. Lightweight and versatile, it's the tool that keeps on giving. Forget frustrating, uneven sanding. Unleash the smooth, efficient master of materials with the electric belt sander. Compact, powerful, this versatile tool offers adjustable speeds and a wide range of accessories for sanding, polishing and grinding. Whether working on metal, wood or jewellery, its precision and ease of use make every job a breeze. Perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike, it's the upgrade your toolkit has been waiting for. Eager to transform your creative visions into tangible masterpieces? Dive into the world of precision crafting with this mini metal lathe, featuring a robust 60-watt, 12,000 revolutions per minute motor. Designed for working with metals, plastics and woods, its sturdy metal build guarantees enduring reliability. Perfect for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts, this compact powerhouse is your ally in creating everything from intricate jewellery to bespoke models, ensuring precision and versatility in every endeavour. Are you tired of spending hours manually removing bark from logs? The Log Peeler Debarker is here to help. This tool effortlessly transforms your chainsaw into a debarking powerhouse, compatible with major brands. Its safe, easy-to-install design ensures a smooth experience in milling, planing or stripping bark. Ideal for carpenters, woodworkers, and outdoor enthusiasts. It promises efficiency and reliability, making wood processing a breeze. Transform your crafting with the Xeon 7-inch multifunctional miter saw. This precision tool offers a versatile 0 to 45 degree multi-angle bevel cutting experience, perfect for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its compact design and powerful performance make it an essential addition to any workshop, ensuring precise cuts every time. Ideal for a wide range of materials, this saw combines efficiency with ease of use, bringing your projects to life with accuracy and speed. For all keen woodworkers, this oscillating tool is your best companion because it can be used for sanding, cutting, polishing, and whatnot. It features a blade running at high speed that can be fixed with different components, and because of its wide range, it is also called a multi-tool. It has an effective mechanism for heat dissipation, so it protects the machinery inside and can be used for hours long without any worries. This Compressor Combo Kit is a must-have feature for your garage. With its 6-gallon air tank capacity, it is cut out for all the light-duty operations like filing, nailing. Another plus point is how low maintenance this kit is because it has an oil-free construction. Most air tools need a 90 psi, but this boy here can run at a maximum pressure of 150 psi, thus giving you a significant margin. These compact yet powerful tool saws are ideal for cutting through hardwood and rigid metal sheets. It has a very small footprint and is very lightweight, so you can easily make cuts in difficult to reach places. On top of that, it has a safety switch, which you can turn on when not working, therefore protecting your fingers and other surfaces.